Check out our newest calendar update. Now there is a calendar reschedule and cancellation window. This feature is going to allow you to define timeframes for when appointments can be canceled or rescheduled, which is going to enhance your control over your booking policies. Let's talk about the benefits to this feature. First, you are going to be able to have control over scheduling. Now you can set specific timeframes when clients can cancel or reschedule. This is going to reduce no shows because now you can implement policies that discourage last minute cancellations. It's also going to increase your professionalism. Now you can clearly define policies that help communicate your business standards and improve your client relationships. If your business has a policy that appointments must be canceled at least 24 hours in advance, you can set this up to automatically enforce that rule. This is going to ensure that your clients adhere to your scheduling policies. Let me show you where this is located. First, you're going to go to Settings in the left-hand navigation. And then with the Settings menu after it changes within the left-hand navigation, you're going to click on Calendars. Make sure that you're in the Calendars menu in the upper part of the navigation, then go to Create Calendar, or you can edit an existing calendar. Now you're going to see the Allow Rescheduling and Cancellation area. Now go and set those notifications and the additional options. Toggle anything on and add those additional notes. This feature helps your business maintain a professional and organized booking system, reducing no-shows and last-minute changes. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.